Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will try to show you how to run C++ code in your in Visual Studio Code. So as you can see here, I will start configure or set up this from scratch. Uh, so because I already installed the Visual Studio Code, so I will go now to the website of the Visual Studio Code. As you can see here, Visual Studio Code for Windows. So you can install it here or just download the installer. So after installing this, just download this and follow the instruction of installation. And the most let's see interesting part is how to install the C++ inside the Visual Studio Code. By the way, Visual Studio Code is working with many let's say languages. I can see here you can run Java, C++, Python, JavaScript, and many other languages, and you can see it here. Sorry. And let's assume that you already installed the Visual Studio Code, and now you are trying to write code and it's not working. Let's see. So before diving into this, let me just go to the C++, click here, C++, and I would like to add the C++ into Visual Studio Code. For this, I need also, there's an extension in C++. As you can see, this is the image. How to download how to install the extension? Just go to this one here, extensions, and yeah, it's by the way here, and click, for instance, here, C++. You can see here it's downloaded 78 million times, and just try to install. Click here, install. So now we just integrate C++ and it will be recognized in the Visual Studio Code. As you can see, this is the icon, for instance, C++, right? Now let's just back to the website, and this is not the all. So we need to install a C++. So for instance, if you would like to install the C++, we need a compiler indeed. So there are several steps. Let's say this one here, I will just go to because I'm using Windows, I will use install mini GDB. So I will just click here, install. When it's finished, I will try to see, click, install, directly use, yeah, because I already install this in my PC. So I will just try to click, and let me wait. Let me just delete this from my C drive, so we can. Oh, still not working. So I have deleted it. Now let me just try again. Click yes, and this will take a moment. Let me pause the video and I will back to you. So now it's finishing the setup. So click this one here. This is the default one, and just click finish. Now it will pop up a new window. You can see here. Now let me just copy this command here and paste it here. Just click, hit enter, and enter selection default all. Just hit enter again, and now you need to install. Type Y for the installation, a confirmation. It will install now everything here. It will install now the relevant packages for the C++. and you can see, you will see all of these messages here. Okay, almost done. So as you can see, everything now is installed, and if you have no error, you will see this after installation. Now, as you can see here, we need to do one step before this, and we need to add this path, the bin path, to the environment variables. So how to add this? And by the way, I have installed this in my C, as you can see, and it's in with bin. Just right click here. Yeah, it's not bin, it's 64. You just go to this directory, because I have installed this in the C, and if I will just copy this, and to add the variable directory, you can just right click here on the computer, and you can search, of course. And here I have advanced system environment, and it will pop up this one here. So now I have to add the path directory here. So as you can see here, already I have a path. So I just double click in this and add new, or you can just double click in this, for instance, here, and add the path to the installation. As I said, because I have installed in a default directory, I will just copy and paste this one here. Copy and paste. If you have installed, for instance, in another drive, for instance, D, just see with this and copy the directory and paste it here. So now we'll see OK, OK, and OK. Now I will close this window here. And let me open now a new CMD prompt, just to see if everything is already installed. So as you can see here, we need to see the GCC version, G++ version, and just copy all of this. Or let's see, yeah, just copy all of this, and we will see. Because we have added into the environment, it will be defined. And as you can see here, GCC version is this is the version, and everything is fine. Now, if you haven't added to the environment, you won't get this. So you have to add it into the environment. Now, let me just open my C++ was, let me just open the directory. See, project C++. Let me now open this. Open with Visual Studio Code, let's see. And as you can see now, it's already defined. In the beginning, wasn't defined here. And because I have already add the C++ start extension, why not? Sometimes this one is unable to read files, so we need to refresh. And let me go back to my code. This is the file. Now, if I click here, so this will be automatically defined by default, I mean detected. And this is the run. And we have a C++. It's still not working. The extension is still not working. Switch to release version. So this one we need to run and compile. Yeah, you can see here now. When you go to C++, close this, and you can see here there is a button here. Just run C or C++ for only running. And for now, we will see the hello world if everything is fine. So not yet. Okay, has enable. Have installed this. Okay, so now it's detecting with the GCC compiler. So this is a new machine, so I'm starting with you from scratch. So if it's working in my side, it should work in your side. So let's try again. Strange, when I have click here, C++ file, it show me this one here. But let me try with another one. So you can see here, this is the run and debug. Click run and select the C++. So we have also to select this one here, G++, because you can see here it's detected in this directory. And let's see. So because this is the first time, so it will take a while, I think. Because I'm using debugging. Okay. So you can see the output, hello world. Because as I said, it's because it was the first time. If now I see run, it will run without any issues. Okay, that's it for today. And if you have any questions, just drop it down in the comment below. And if you find this helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.